When organizing your Canva workspace, it's important to know how to quickly access your most frequently used designs and folders, and that's where the Your Starred sidebar option in Canva's Glow Up interface comes into play. The Your Starred section will be available on all accounts, whether you're a solo pro account user or a team member on a Canva Teams account. By clicking the star icon on any of your folders, designs, or brand templates, you can add it to the Your Starred collection, which is available in the left side navigation. This makes it convenient to find your preferred items without having to search through all of your folders and projects. Essentially, you're bookmarking or favoriting items here for quick access. Unfortunately, you can't reorder these items once they've been starred, which means you need to be strategic about the order in which you star them. Let's use my own Canva account as an example. I wanted my primary projects folders to be accessible here in Your Starred so I can get to them quickly from the Canva homepage, and you can see that they appear here in alphabetical order. If you also want your folders to appear alphabetically, you'll need to star them from Z to A. So to achieve an A to Z alphabetical list, I needed to star the folder X archived first, and then the folder blog and website last. This method will ensure that your starred items display in your preferred order. So that's how the starring functionality works for designs and folders, but you can also create custom sections in this sidebar. Custom sections offer Canva users the ability to group your starred designs and folders into specific categories or sections, keeping related items together and making them easier to locate, which helps you save time. To create a custom section, you'll click here to add a new section and give it a relevant name that reflects the type of designs or folders it will contain. For example, maybe I want a section for my most frequently accessed client folders or brand templates. You can also specify an emoji for each section. Once a custom section is created, you can add your starred designs, brand templates, and folders to these sections, but currently the sections also can't be reordered after creation. So be strategic and plan the order in which you create your sections as well. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro and a free mini course to help you maximize the value of your Canva Pro subscription at brendacadman.com/pro.